Hello and welcome back to another video. So, definitely a different one today.
Camping.
Back with this lad. Look at the view, let's kick it off with this beautiful view.
Smelling the English shade, then England's gone downhill, look at this.
Today, I'm going to put a picture on the screen first of all. The plan today is we're going cling film camping. I'm buzzing for this one. So I've got 2 rolls of massive like cling film stuff off eBay, surprisingly cheap, and we're going to attempt to build it in the trees here.
Let's go.
Alright, work our way through.
So don't hold your breath for tonight, it's thunder and lightning.
Yeah, we've managed to pick a day where it's already starting raining. We're currently
5-0 already, haven't we?
Yeah, definitely. 19:59. So it's 8 o'clock, sunset is 8:35. It doesn't look that bright on camera, but it is. It's pretty good, especially the gun darkness. Right, let's get to work. Right, we're currently attempting to find a place. These are the cling film wraps, by the way. They don't look much, but each one of them's 300 meters. Give them a show of the thickness. Let's have a look. Give us that.
Look at the ground.
Heavy, hasn't it?
It's very heavy. It doesn't look like very
thick. So as you see in the picture I put on screen, we went 4 trees kind of together. Whoa.
You got 1, 2, 3, didn't you say that?
If that was here, it'd have been perfect. If they weren't chopping down half the trees, we could have done this.
I know. No wonder I've struggled to breathe half the time. It's no bloody air left.
Right, I think these are probably going to be the best we've got, to be fair.
These?
Yeah, these 4.
Shit, yeah.
1,
right,
2, 3, 4. It's a bit far away from each other, but I think that's the best we've got. Right, let's crack on. Do me a favour and just hold that there. Put your hand on that. Yeah. Thank you. The video I actually went round with it once. So I did a loop round this. Oh, this is much easier.
There you go, look at him. We're not going to have enough wrap, are we?
I'm getting a bit nervous.
I don't think we're going to have enough.
Can I go through this one over here first?
Here we go.
Gosh, using loads, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, stage number 1 is done. We've got around 4 trees. Bit of a weird shape, but the chances of finding 4 trees in the perfect rectangle is a bit remote, isn't it? But yeah, so we've just got to wrap around 4 trees. So that's going to be the bed. The main one, this is where we're going to lie on, so this is where we need to take the most weight. That camera angle's looking alright. Maybe twist it a bit. You know, what does it take to put this in the tree? Jesus Christ.
Hey, we can have a go at that. You know, make a target on here. You could do one of them.
Bloody hell, I'd already lost it. I've only been here 10 minutes.
Ready?
Oh. Right, let's crack on. We're losing daylight about the second one.
Did you ever like bang, you know?
What was go home to?
These are feeds.
Oh, that was a drone. It's going to take a lot of cling on this.
I know. Mate, I think we can only do one bit. In the cold, cold and rain.
I'm going to get me copyrighted here.
Hey?
It's going to get us copyrighted.
Copyright?
Beautiful singing, I think it's the real thing.
Could you get them for copyright for songs?
What, singing?
Yeah.
No way. Unless you're like the greatest singer ever.
Right. We just need loads more, but look what we've got. We've done already.
That feels more secure.
Yeah.
That's what we need to do. Here we go, making progress now. Making good progress.
Like the Chinese.
Right.
They're quick, aren't they, when they do stuff like this?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
I've never seen a Chinese man build a fucking
No, but
cling film hammock.
You know, something like with their hands and that.
I don't know.
Oh, they're very quick.
Feels racist, but you compliment them. I suppose.
No, nothing. Not everything's racist. Raining.
Is it? Oh,
Is it?
I'd say that quick.
This is all going to shrink like dead thin though, isn't it, if you do it too tight? And then how I mean, you're going to fit on it.
This is our main bit, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's where I'm going to be storage.
Fuck off! We've done all that fucking work for storage.
Just this main bit is going to take up most of the cling film.
100%.
And the rest of it should be
Which
right.
you don't mind, because as long as it keeps us... It'd be like a little trampoline. Don't bounce on it.
Yeah, one bounce and it's gone. Fuck Christ. Right, you hold that there. It looks flimsy at the minute and we're quickly running out of cling film. So I'm getting a bit nervous. But to be fair, this over here feels pretty solid.
If we do it long enough, you know, to our bodies and that.
That feels kind of solid. I think once we get the rest of it, it'll be even more solid, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Have someone done this before?
Yeah, that's where I got the idea.
You got the idea from something then, didn't you?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not just winging it, don't worry. I've just gone nuts and thought, yeah, let's do that. Cling film trees, yes. The sunlight is quickly going away. Not bloody sunlight, just the lights. The sun f***ed off ours again. But the light is going. This is why I brung Adam.
We'll be on our arse.
He's doing the art. Us, as you're doing all the work. I've got to get the shots, mate. The priority is the video. We're only here for the video.
Should have got 4 something. How much was it?
4. 13 quid for these 2.
13? For one?
No, 2. Oh. No, I think we might be right. We've still got that full one there. Yeah, because literally when we do the walls and the roof, it's not going to take much. That should be the easiest part. So I'm kind of getting confident now we're going to be alright.
What's your technique here, Kate? Talk the viewers through it.
It's a work in progress.
Very tedious, isn't it?
Tedious? I'm having fun here.
You having fun?
That's not my life.
No, once it's done, it's going to be like really good, isn't it? I think the adventures will start.
Cut to the end now.
I don't know if the camera's picking that, but that is absolutely glorious. That.
Where would you rather be, mate? Piston mattresses or?
Oh, yeah, all day long. Beacon Fell, free of charge.
Get some progress going, and we'll come back to you. Because right now it's looking like a bloody mess, isn't it? Adam's officially lost it already. I've no idea what he's doing. It is thin. Don't do that, you'll make it worse.
Everything I do.
First roll is gone, unfortunately. Roll 2, I guess.
I know what you mean by now. The tree should have been like, it'd be perfect if.
Yeah. But to be fair, this isn't going to get any smaller. This gap here, so this does create a nice gap. Right, we're definitely losing light though. Let's crack this second one open. Knackered is an understatement, lad. Absolutely knackered.
You know what we're going to have to do now? We've got 1 rock left. Just try and make the base and cover it and just make sure we can sleep on it now.
Yeah.
Pitch black now, if you can see him. As the sound of my voice, I'm out of breath. I'm not got out for this.
Down one of those branches. I think the battery's moving a certain way.
People, it's like a call, isn't it, for help of any better.
You're gonna have to use binoculars.
You just have to attach them to your fucking eyes.
It's only one of us can see it at a time.
Go on, I'll kick it to you. You get the shots. Look, I've heard that before. Get the shots. This is here, Mr. Shot. He doesn't drink hardly, but when he does, bloody hell. Some stories I could tell you about Lakio.
This sends a review of me.
They want to get to know the owner, don't they? The CEO of Explore with Kurt. No wonder I couldn't see you before. It was just a yeah, I can see you better now. It was literally the shrink map I could see before. I can see you now.
Zoom in on this one. Zoom in.
How do you zoom in?
No, put the camera towards me. Not to me, the bloody clingful.
Had it. I'm cold. I'm hungry. Yeah, there's not much of it.
We've not got much left either, have we?
No. And it's thinning out now. Look at it. You can't.
Guys, this is not going to work.
One moves to your left, you're gone. There's my coffin, and then you go down here. There's this coffin, and then this battery here.
If you don't have it face down, it doesn't work.
So if it's not face down on the ground, you're knackered. This daft sod, when we was coming here, driving here, was talking about doing 3 days on a desert island in the Bermuda fucking Triangle with a specialist bloody fisherman.
We were buzzing for this, I know. Night in the woods.
Now look at us.
We're going to be sleeping on fucking mud.
In the car. We're sleeping on this. Come on, I've been a day packing. We're sleeping here. I've got my binoculars.
We're back on.
Are we laughing?
Well, laughing's a generous word for it. Oh my god, this stupid light.
Terrible. I collect it.
We're going to be here all night this rate.
I don't know what we're going to do.
Well, we're not getting a roof, are we?
It's going to rain at 10.
shit.
Get a reef up now. Let's get a reef on.
Well, do you reckon we can lie on this?
We're gonna have to. Shall I get on?
Oh, right, go on then.
Well, let me get on. Hold this.
1 minute, let me get round here.
If it goes, it goes. This is make or break now.
2 seconds, mate. No, 1 minute. Plus, I'm under it. You'll squash me. I'll be dead.
Fucking heavier than me at the minute.
I know, yeah. Hey. Not a roast. The roast of Kurt Beacon fell.
That'd be a good idea. Right.
That'd be the worst idea ever.
We're
Got a sunset over there, nice, isn't it?
lovely.
Anyway, let's do this. Jesus, that's going down quick, isn't it? Oh, shit.
I think just a few more, we're alright, aren't we?
Alright! You were on the ground! It was only your arse on it.
Fuck it.
Oh. Wait. Oh no, mate, that's gone.
That is comfy as fuck. I could sleep on here.
How am I getting in? Oh, it's gone 1 minute, it's ripping. Oh no.
Get me up.
It's done, mate, it's done. Oh, Christ.
Where's that wrap?
It was this one that was mainly the problem, but it is also the longest. So technically this has taken all the weight in it. This is not, 2 rolls wasn't going to do it. We're going to have to attempt this video again. We attempt this again, I get like 4 rolls, and we come earlier in the day. Genuinely, it just shows how naive I was. I thought 20-30 minutes and this would have been done. What time is it?
2 hours, I think.
The guy did it in a 60-second TikTok that I saw, so he's thrown me off.
Oh, he's
I thought he'd have it up in 10 minutes. We good?
Ah! Twisted my ankle.
Yeah, you alright?
Yeah.
Christ.
No good out.
Not exactly staying incognito, are we?
Keep me indoors forever. No good out here. Right, should I live stream it? Because they could have got out here and fucking helped us. Bring more shrimp now.
Bring more shrink wrap. You guys in our viewers were close to Beacon Fell and have pallets of shrink wrap on hand.
Some of them are black puddings, aren't they? I'm sure they could get round here.
Bring all the cling film they've got. Hundreds of people turn up with cling film. We'd have to build a massive bed.
We make a mansion.
Mansion. A cling film mansion. That'd be like a Mr. Beast video. That's not explore with Kurt, mate. We're not doing that. Cling film mansion. You can see it now. Person to survive the longest in the cling film mansion gets $50,000. Everyone suffocates to death.
Yeah.
Look how warped it is in the middle. Maybe. Do you know what would have been more ideal? John's just thinking. I only watched a 60-second TikTok. I should have watched the long one
Yeah,
on YouTube.
Did you not watch a full one? I bet it's still going now. They're still building it.
Still building it. Yeah, there's literally ones on YouTube as well that have already done this, and I didn't bother watching them. I just watched the one TikTok and thought, yep, alright, we're doing it. Yeah, we should get home and tell them to tomorrow, tell Amy and Chloe. So yeah, it went absolutely brilliant. And then let them watch the video. The absolute shit show it was. Oh Christ, you know, we were saying like half an hour ago, yeah, it's going good. We're getting there.
It's probably beautiful views. I love it. I might live out here. I'll be back in an hour.
We've actually put like 1,000 loops more around it, but it doesn't look any different, does it?
No.
Mate, I'm heavier than you, remember that?
I'm 6'4" as well.
I've got about 20 pounds in here. It might break. Should I spin it?
Go on then. No, you're alright. You're alright. Go on, lad. Go on, the kid. Isn't that comfy, that?
Yeah, but where are you going?
We'll have to just commit now, ready? We'll never.
Is that why? Oh my god, is that... I'm at a slant.
It's not gone though, it's not popped, it's not busted.
It's not popped, it's got about one tiny string left. And this light is doing my head. We're there on the ground, by the way. I don't even know if I can show it. I hope that shows it. I literally can't see the screen. I'm in that awkward position. Should just put it on the bloody ground. Why did we not just put it on the ground?
Why did we have it halfway up the tree? Why did we do this? We should have done it here.
Yeah, because then the ground would have supported it.
A pair of soft twats. Fucking hell.
Why did we put it? I think it's because again the TikTok put like a metre in the air.
It's the Piss and Chuckle Brothers.
I feel like I'm a porn.
This is why we come here. Well, we can't sleep on it because he just fell through it.
Literally led on it once and that's all collapsed.
But yeah, it's not working.
Holes there. That's, look at the state of this. We put about 1,000 loops around this, what's happened? These ends have held up pretty well. It's just the long one, that's it.
Should we just sit down for a bit and regroup?
Chill. Let's do some stargaze now.
Yeah.
This is how prepared we were, lads. Lads, sorry, there's women watching as well. I'll skip that.
Oh,
this is how I was.
They string you up and hang you.
I don't know why I said lads. I've never ever in my life said that.
Ever have I heard you? Come on, lad.
Look at this. Look at this, man.
Turn the light on.
Get them back on, let me. I don't know none of that. Is that no? Go other way around, mate. This is how prepared as a Muslim. Just show you binoculars, keep them there. Stop pointing at me. Look forward.
I can't see where I'm going.
Stop moving. I think I can't see anything because it's not night vision. Don't think it's because I broke them. These are not night vision at all. I can just see less.
I took these to see deers and badgers tonight.
I can't believe how badly the clean turned out. I'm so disappointed, honestly. Oh, we have just spent literally like an hour and a half in this and we're just going to have to rip it down. Go on, have one last go on it.
I can sleep like this easily.
Easily? You're at a 45-degree angle, mate. As soon as you fall asleep and you let go, look at his hand clinging on for dear life. As soon as he lets go, he's gone. And the ants will have you. You'll be bone.
I'm not fucking moving.
You'll be a skeleton by the time I come back to get you.
I don't want to. Oh, yeah. I wish I was so high up. I was falling to my death. I wish I was falling to my death.
That was a bit anticlimactic, that, to be fair. You can't just.
I'm not moving.
You just slowly lowered. Right. I don't even know if the camera shows anything. I'll try and put a picture on screen if it looks terrible, but.
I can see a couple of stars.
I can see stars, the sky's nice. Mine, of course. My mum gave us the light.
Come here, man.
That's knackered. And then this, she's gave us this chair. Look at it. That's snapped and all.
Bye. Oh, stop. Oh, the paint's not going.
Oh, Christ.
Oh, my fucking toy.
Adam very generously swapped chairs with me.
I'm on the shelf.
Right, how do we fix this? That's it, mate, that's it. Right, we're down to one chair. We did not come prepared, did we? Look at the state of this chair.
That's so much of my bone on my back.
Oh, how do we... Yeah, don't you go nicking my bloody chair now. We're going to attempt this video again. We're going to buy more cling film. We're going to come earlier in the day, be more prepared. Before we were prepared, Adam said he's packed for 3 weeks here, the amount of stuff he's got. But... didn't work, did it? Oh, didn't work.
Didn't work, that.
100% convinced that was going to work.
Nothing we do goes to plan.
Nothing does it. As I said, we'll attempt this again. Buy more cling film. I reckon we need at least like 8 rolls to get like a thick layer.
Yeah.
Probably like 10 rolls. I reckon get 10 rolls next time.
Yeah,
probably don't come back here because we need different trees. The trees are no good. The trees need to be like far apart, you know. But yeah, look forward to it. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the like button. Leave a comment what you thought. Could you have done better than us? Yeah, sorry about that. Could you have done better than us?
They go, subscribe.
Subscribe? That was shite. We tried up. I'm so annoyed I was convinced it was going to work. I was ready to take some home. I thought we were going to have spare. I thought
he promised his mum a full roll.
Full roll of cling film for next year. She's sorted. She'll be rubbing her hands together. Well, yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. All right.
So, fucking hell. Come on,